Hi everybody, it's me, Jara Bee. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. This is going to be a Amazon haul video, and maybe I'll share with you some items that I hauled from eBay as well. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing I want to show you guys is this silicone face mask holder. I am so sorry, you guys, that I do not have the prices of these items. So if you're interested in anything, just comment in the below and I'll try to send you guys a link, okay? So there's that, the silicone face mask holders. I also purchased some perfume atomizers here. Okay, there's 4 atomizers in a pack. You get a silver, a black, a purple, and a pink one. And then I purchased a reusable grocery bag. Comes 2 in a pack. Here's one that I've already unfolded, and here's what it looked like when it's brand new. And I wanted to show you guys real quick about this reusable bag that I kind of like. It folds into itself into a pocket. What I mean by that is when you unfold the bag, it's kind of large, nice and sturdy nylon, and then here is the pocket I'm talking about. So all of this folds into this pocket, and that's kind of neat. So you don't have 2 pieces like a pouch that you fold your bag into. This is all in one piece. So there's that. And then next, all right, are some wristlet keychains, 2 in a pack. And I chose the animal print. They have different prints that you can choose from. So there's that. Okay, so how is everybody's February going? Happy February, you guys. February is Black History Month, and we also have Valentine's Day in February. My sister's birthday is in February, and my husband's birthday is in February. So there's a lot going on this month. So moving on, I purchased this outdoor water bottle. Looks like this. It's the size of, they say A5 size, like an A5 size notebook. It's approximately that size, you guys. It's like a flat flask water bottle, and they had different colors that you can choose from, and this is the white. So I thought that this would be nice to fill with water and put in my tote bag this summer. So I got that. And then next is this keychain wristlet bracelet, and with silicone beads. It looks like this. Okay. And it also has a wood bead here, you guys. And I read somewhere where people put essential oils on this. It can also help make your bag smell good, and then you'll get a whiff of whatever scent of oil that you put on here. You'll get a little scent of that, you know, as you carry the wristlet keychain, if that's something that you would like to do. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. See how that works. I don't know where I read that little tip from, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, the next are some mesh bags. I purchased 2 different sizes. This is the larger size mesh bag. You get 2 in a pack. Okay, and this mesh bag has a slip pocket. If you can see right here, there's a little slip pocket there. So that, and then this set comes with 5 in this little square size here. So let you guys see the difference in the sizes. So there's that, and they're both by this company right here, Amazon. All right, next I purchased a 12-piece set of men's handkerchiefs. So you get 12 handkerchiefs. So I'm into carrying cloth a little bit more in my handbags if I can. So handkerchiefs and bandanas are something that I like to try to incorporate into my handbags, just to try to cut down on my use of paper. So if I want to dab my eyes or something, like if I get something in my eye, or I need to put some eye drops in, instead of always reaching for a paper tissue, I can use handkerchiefs. And then the bandanas I can use to wipe up small spills if need to wipe my hands, to wipe my brow, maybe to use to open up doors. I do not like really touching door handles in public. And if you have a bandana or something like that, little things like that. So you want to change them every day. So a 12 pack is nice. All right. So, you guys, that is it for the Amazon portion of this haul. So, if you're still with me, hang in there. Don't leave yet. Let me show you a few things I got from Amazon. So, this is a eBay haul, so let's get into it real fast. This is a perfume atomizer from the Salon Shop. This is one of my favorite perfume atomizers. Here is what it looks like. I like it because it's fat and a little larger and easier for my big hands to be able to use it, as compared to those smaller atomizers that I showed in my Amazon haul. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, these are the smaller atomizers that I purchased in a 4-pack from Amazon. This atomizer right here, this one atomizer, it is a little bit more expensive, and you only get one, but I really like these just a little bit better, y'all. So there's that. All right, this item is a 6-ring key holder, and here is the box that it comes in, a really nice sleek looking box. And then you open it up, and it comes wrapped in this little bag right here. I don't know what this stuff is made out of. And then here is the 6-ring card holder here. It comes in a multiple colors, and I chose the brown. I think there's maybe 4 different colors you can choose from. There's a pocket here on the outside, zip opening, and here's what the inside of it looks like. And so here's where you put your keys. Another little key loop is here, and there's a pocket here for cards or ID or whatever. Y'all see that? Let me hold it still for a minute, and then maybe be able to, there we go. And then there's also a pocket right here. So because this is my very first key ring holder like this, so if I like this, I'm thinking about buying the Coach key ring holder. So but I wanted to try this first because I think I only paid anywhere between $9 and $11 for this. Okay, so yep, there's that. Alright guys, 2 more items to go. Are you still with me? I hope so, because I saved the 2 items, the 2 best items for last. So, alright, next I have the Coach Tote 27 with the horse and carriage dot print. And that is what the horse and carriage dot print looks like. Order with, I will do a what's in my bag video on this tote coming up in the near future. So I got this from a seller, and I had been eyeballing this tote, you guys, and I had looked on several different resale platforms, and I found this for $90. So it's like new condition. I have no complaints. I'm satisfied. So last but not least is the matching snap wallet with that same horse and carriage dot print. So this is the snap wallet to match. And I paid $40 for this. So you guys will see these things again real soon if you stay tuned to my channel. Alright you guys, here's an overview of my eBay and Amazon haul. So thanks for staying tuned. That helps my channel, along with subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. And of course, comment if you feel like chatting. So thanks ladies. Ciao.